the surface symbol. The data interpretation chapter 2 the version bar graph ki kule email. The bar graph na version the bar graph ki na le simple bar graph ki question chi solve begin. The question ki question version the bar graph shows number of tourists that visited Bhutan between 2015 and 2019. Study the graph and answer the questions that follow. The graph की version tourist visitors 2015 level 2019 के बाद tourist visitor number of tourist visitor show पे the graph तीन लोटा पे number of tourist visitor दी शर्रा increase चुनल साची decline माजुए शर्रा increase चुनल every year previous year तो compare पे increase शर्रा चुनल the paragraph ता पे the question दी version part A की question number 1A की question version what was the average number of tourists that visited Bhutan in the given years round of to nearest whole number symbol the average find पे होगा average tourist visitors in the given years तानी year गारा की average tourist visitor 2015 level 19 सुन जब उधर the tourist visitor की average term होती है average term दलो sum divided by number of years से जो मतलब 155 121 plus 209 570 plus 254 704 plus 274 097 plus 315599 यानी जी the sum total tourist visitor है सिंपल total tourist visitor आने कारा ऐड पे नहीं आने पे तो total tourist visitor तो जी divided by average पे तो the कलिंची total तो ना 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 5 email 5 divided by 5 tam dalo the average the कलिंची तो जी 241 818.2 से तो ना calculator ना सोदा the calculator na ni press पे the first bracket open पे तेले आनी number कारा जी bracket close पे divided by 5 से तंगुला the कलिंची तो नो that question nalu round off to nearest whole number से जिन मोल the whole number na round off पे को वचन decimal part the remove तंगु पे the decimal part the remove तंग दलो decimal part the 2 इमे 2 the less than 5 पे ली तो खालो whole number की side ना add पे में को so average the 241 818 2015 level 2019 से पे दलो average number of tourist visitor the 2,41,818 email. The next question gives the ratio of number of years in which the number of tourists was above the average to the number of years in which the number of tourists was below the average. The average the compare the average the comes to 241 average the 241,818 to the ratio ratio of number of years in which the number of tourist visitors was above the average to the number of years in which the number of tourists was below the average. The above average the number of years average the 241,818 so above average the average above average above average above average and below average below average so number of years in which number of visitors was above the average the sum do below average version 2 do so ratio the 3/2 3:2 or 3/2 the question part C version the number of tourists in 2019 is how many times that in 2015 the near number of tourists in the numerator the denominator kazuni puzzle jom searching the equations of version jam number of tourists in 2019 number of tourists in 2019 is how many times so the how many unknown by x times number of tourists in 2015 number of tourists in 2019 is equal how many times so the unknown by x how many times number in 2015. So explain benigidulu tani di powdulu number in 2019 divided by number of tourists in 2015. So number of tourists in 2019 the games to 315599 divided by number of tourists in 2015 the version 155121 email tani bedulu tani calculator in so bedulu 2.03453 and be chomil the round of baby 2 decimal place na round of base to round of to 2 decimal place so 2 decimal place shabe 2 decimal place shabachin jakai ka tam dalu the next number is 4 imbe 4 the less than 5 bindigi 2.03 sichunimbe plus 1 jap megobel 03 go plus 1 jap megobel so 2.03 and how number of tourists in 2019 is 2.03 times that in 2015 and approximately the double in the 2019 version number of tourists double that of number of tourists in 2015. The equation must be direct benefit direct version unless direct pick up so how many that 2019 ki tourist 2015 ki tourist that compare be and compare with respect to kaji be na and the denominator side long 2019 ki number of tourists comparing with respect to number of tourists in 2015 and bendigi 2015 the denominator side long the for which year the percent increase of number of tourists over the previous year is highest the previous year the chiga compare the percent increase highest kana do same and the compare the percent increase to the percent increase to the over previous year 2015 na previous year ki data majimbe and 2016 na ko the 2016 na percent increase over previous year the kanchi do 2016 the number of tourists 209,570 email the previous year that you compare with the 2015 give 155,121 divided by the two percent increase over the previous year bendigi the previous year gidi ma holu sugul 155,121 previous year gidi ma holu sugo percentage tendigi into 100 and bedulu calculator ne subedulu 35.1% the 2017 give version 2017 the number of tourists visitors 254,704 in the previous year the 2016 ki 209,570 in the divided by the two comparing where the percent increase the over the previous year PMG increase you know so 209 previous year ki yogo numerator side na into 100 percentage into 100 so 21.5% the 2018 na version 2018 na tourist visitor the 274,097 minus previous year na version 254,704 over previous year ki chugo 254,704 into 100 and the percentage 7.6% in the 2019 na version number of tourist visitors 315599 in the previous year that you compare with the percent increase over previous year with the 2018 ki 274,097 in divided by 274,097 into 100 pedalo percent increase 15.1% on the so the percent increase the percentage ki chapter na thendo sumrai percent increase the increase kadim chiga number increase kadim chiga number divided by the initial hema ki previous year the number into 100 se ane betangol increase kadim chunu ga tane gitelu the 2016 ki version 2016 ki number minus 2015 ki number ane betani be ane betelu for which year the percent increase of number of tourists over the previous year is highest version percent increase ida to highest ra 2016 na dul 35.1% increase to so percent increase highest 2016 na dul the part E version the number of tourists in 2018 is what percent of number of tourists in 2016 through another equation solve version number of tourists in 2018 is what percent of mathematics na of the multiplication in first chapter 3 of number of tourists in 2016 so the x की value देने की दोनों x percent से होता x by 100 मोल x by 100 is equal to number in 2016 the far side ना पावे होता other side ना पावे होता number in 2018 divided by number in 2016 the x की value find भी नहीं दोनों 100 the far पावे होता number in 2018 by number in 2016 into 100 so number in 2018 number of tourists in 2018 division 274097 in divided by number in 2016 division 209570 in into 100 total 130.79%. So number of tourists in 2018 is what percent of number of tourists in 2016 the answer is 130.79%. Number of tourists in 2018 is 130.79% of the number of tourists in 2016. The percent increase just the 2018 की करीबी percent increase 2016 दा compare the numerator denominator side na ka shani na puzzle jo equation so the jam dime mo ani step na liya direct chosul number of tourists in 2018 di ta to 2016 the chip ta करीबी percent in beta hobe so with respect to 2016 की number ta one degi 2016 की denominator side na ongol 130.79%. The F key version, the number of tourists in 2019 is approximately what fraction of number of tourists in the given year? What fraction of total number of tourists in the 5 given years? The version total number of tourists in 5 given years. The Nikara 8 Piodalu. Kara 8 total condition surgeon 1209091 tourists. Animichi tourist in 5 years the total number of tourists in Chimbe. The 2019 version 135599 tourists in the world. The Toginakashi find the surgeon. The number of tourists in 2019 is approximately what fraction of total number of tourists in 5 given years. So that required fraction the number of tourists in 2019 over total number of tourists one fraction the number of tourists in 2019 is approximately what fraction of total number of tourists in 5 given years. The 5 given years की total number of tourists something and the number of tourists in 2019 the 1315599 over the total number of tourists in 5 given years the 1209091 that fraction to email into 100 tango kanemi and the tani calculator in a fraction mode not so with further reduce your meter further reduce me the question here approximately what fraction of total number of tourists approximate fraction chi ask memo the ani na the numerator the denominator ni chara to number less the numerator side na to ani lesser number the divide tam the both side divide tamda numerator ani number khoragi divide tamda 1 thyo numerator di 1209091 divided by 0155999 beojin 3.8 approximate be bago be approximately 3.8 digit 됩니다. 1 decimal place ne shawajin ani bedulu da decimal remove tani gidilu 1 into 10 tango bele both side na into 10 tango ani bedulu 10 over 38 dani calculator na so to be reduced beojin 5 over 19 setting olani ani bedulu option A D in base anne daredu dimenwe da ani be approximately ani step the 아주 confusing do sojin the direct ani beredu nagi number di ngachi required fraction di the calculator nu sube decimal nu tem da kalim sim sojin 0.261 ani be jomela da to 3 decimal place pejage da tele option ngachi yalu yumi option su gara calculator nu sube decimal ne be express pitani la hani bedu plus di 5.19 calculator nu sube 0.26 0.263 아니면 geometry decimal place by 3 by 14 divided 0.214 7 by 9 divided 0.777 아니면 geometry 1 by 3 divided 0.333 geometry 아니면 compare with answer 0.261 도시 the nearest raka도 소진 option A D 0.263 아니면 answer the option A in base 아니면 decimal 10 better decimal express be better 양아치 시술